Hello children, I am Deepak Singh. Today I will take you science class for class 7. The name of chapter is nutrition in plant. What do you mean by nutrition? I will tell you what is nutrition. Nutrition is the process of taking food in body by the living organism and its utilization in body for carrying various life functions. It's called nutrition. Okay, there are two types of nutrition. There are two types of mode of nutrition: heterotrophic nutrition and autotrophic nutrition. What do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? Green plant or a mode of nutrition in which green plant make their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition, a mode of nutrition in which living organism take food from plant or other animal is called heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, green plant make food. Green plant make their own food by the process is known as photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? Green plant make their food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. It is known as photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis मतलब making, माने कि light में making photosynthesis. Okay, we can write CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide, HO2, H2 यानी water and sunlight. C6, H12, O6 and O2. This is the process of photosynthesis and chemical formula of photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis only occur in green plant, not non-green plant. Okay, now we highlight on this point. First of all, parasitic plant. Parasite, what do you mean by parasite? The living organism that derive food from the body of the other animal is known as parasite. For example, dodder or Cuscuta. Dodder and Cuscuta same. Dodder and the Hindi name Amarbel. Okay, parasite. The example of the parasite in plant, dodder and Cuscuta. Cuscuta is a yellow tubular plant which is generally occur on shrubs. The food which are prepared by the herbs or the other plant, the dodder or Cuscuta take food from their body. So it is considered as a parasite. Animal also are parasite. In our stomach, especially in intestine, found a tapeworm. It is a parasite which derive food from our body. So I think you understood the parasite in Hindi. Parasite means परजीवी. परजीवी जो भोजन के लिए दूसरे एनिमल पे या दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म पे डिपेंड करता है, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं पैरासाइट. ठीक है, जैसे कि हमारे माथा में जू होता है, जू वो भी एक प्रकार का पैरासाइट का एग्जाम्पल है. ओके, तो ये अभी हम थोड़ा सा इस पे सारे पॉइंट पे हाईलाइट करेंगे, फिर अब आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में बहुत अच्छा डिटेल में बताएंगे. सेप्रोफाइट्स, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सेप्रोफाइट्स? Saprophytes are non-green plant. Saprophytes are those plant which derive food from dead and decay matter. It's called saprophytes. Example, mushroom. Mushroom is a saprophytes. Insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plant is green plant, but their nutrition is very poor, so they cannot fulfill their all the necessity of nutrient. So they eat some insect. Insectivorous means eating insect. Eating insect plant is called insectivorous plant. Those plant who eat insect is called insectivorous plant. For example, pitcher plants, Venus flytrap and sandew are the